Hi, this is my video for CIT 336 for my final project peer review. I'm going to walk you through some of the things I've done, and so let's get started. We are first going to create an account for a fake user just so we can test our code. We are going to just call him Bob or Jeff, and we're going to do test, and his email is going to be jeff@gmail.com. And then we're going to create a fake password, and what this is going to do is we're going to see if we have his first name is remembered, if the cookie is being set. And so we're going to press submit. We're going to save it, and as you see over here that it says that we have the first name of the user and it's set. So now we're going to go back over and we're going to log in as that user, and we're going to press submit. And as you can see, the cookie is going to go away because it's not needed anymore. This is because it's now stored in the session that we have going. So what's also really cool is now we also have the name of the user with the welcome sign. And the cool part is this welcome sign is going to show up when we click on any of the other parts throughout the nav bar throughout the website. And this shows for all of you viewers as long as they're logged in, and it won't go away until they log out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to log out, and then we're going to, as you can see, the welcome sign has gone away because we're no longer logged in, as I mentioned. And we're going to now log in as ourselves. So here's my login I've already created. And now you can see that the welcome sign has changed because it shows my name, but then below it, if you are the admin, which I am, it now shows what we can do with the website. So for example, we're going to go through and manage products, which is the bottom link. So if we click on that, and remember that only the admin can access this, no one else can access this. So now, as you can see, we're managing products. Not only can we manage those products, but we can now feature the products. So we're going to go over to TNT here at the bottom, and we're going to press feature. And it shows right here that the product is now being featured and that it's removed the old product that was being featured. So now if we go to our database, I'm going to show you that in here. If you, once I get to it, if you look, it's going to say 1, which means true, for TNT, and that the rest say false or 0, which is the same thing. And this basically is saying that this is the featured product and the rest are not featured. So now we're going to go home, and I'm going to show you the product. So you can see TNT. It's featured. It has a great price. I mean, $10 for TNT is unheard of, so buy it now. And that you can follow the link in the description for more stuff. So now, to show you that for sure works, we're going to go back to our featured products and we're going to change it to the Acme Rocket. And we get that same thing saying it's changed it. You go to the home page, you see the feature. It's a rocket, it's going to be expensive, save your pennies. And all the information down below it in the description as well. So then, all we're left with is really to show you that this is responsive. So if we go and scroll down as far as we can, this is what it'll look like on mobile. Still looks really good. Still user friendly. And then if we pull it back out to full screen, this will look full screen on your computer. Then we're going to show that it validates. So you can see it validates for our CSS. And then these next few pages are validation for HTML. So you can see that all of our code is validating. There's no warnings. It works, it's good, and that's all we have this is all I have for my project for this class. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.